New Domestos cistern blocks have a clear advantage over blocks that colour the water. They don't just freshen, but because they contain Domestos bleach crystals, they kill germs. For up to 400 flushes, Domestos cistern blocks kill germs. Flush after flush.
All I've ever wanted from a hairspray is one that's just like me. Organics hairspray with clear hold technology. Works hard all day and you hardly know it's there.
Do you say yes, but your dentures say no? New Polygrip Ultra is the strongest holding cream fixative and keeps out irritating bits of food. It's perfect on any plate.
Now I have started using this new Personal Performance. That shirt, Max's favourite. Wherever he is, whatever he's doing, he'll be wearing it. This new Personal Performance helps stop the colours running into the whites. He couldn't put that shirt through anything more, so I wouldn't wash it in anything less.
New Personal Performance.
La 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 la.
Cookie, find out about the buy one get one free offer from Safe Style UK.
No problem. It's simple. For every window you buy, you get another absolutely free. These people bought this window from Safe Style UK. Cool, don't you think? And they got this window totally free. Wow, wait! And 0% interest-free credit is available. These humans are strange. They even give things away. Yes! So, call Safe Style UK on 0800 106 107. That's 0800 106 107. Now!
You want more for your family than just clean skin. You want to keep their skin healthy too. That's why you want Sanex Bath and Shower Gel. Sanex contains moisturizers and an antibacterial agent to help protect and keep their skin and yours healthy. Sanex helps keep skin healthy.
Little greenish.
Is it good? Ooh, what are those shapes? Are they chicken?
Yes, there's circles, triangles, and a shape of a T.
Oh.
I think you're a nice little alien.
Thank you.
I can see you're in a spaceship.
Can you fly all around as well?
No. No, we're kids.
Oh. I think I should be quiet now. Bye.
Bye.
All explorers love feeling fresh air on their skin. New Huggies Air Dry are the only nappies that actually breathe.
Actually breathe?
Tiny pores let fresh air circulate to help keep skin healthy. Fresh air for healthy bottoms and happy babies. New breathable Huggies.